say straight up, it's fucking so awesome to fucking be here tonight. Thank you guys for coming out and supporting the show, supporting rock and roll music, supporting Papa Roach. You know, you guys want to come to see a fucking kick-ass rock and roll band, you know what I'm saying? We, Papa Roach, we come here to see a fucking kick-ass rock and roll crowd. Thank you. For real, all I gotta say is we're definitely fucking coming back to the highest city on the fucking earth. We're gonna break it down for you guys right here. This song is called Scars. Mi corazón está abierto, no tengo que cerrar. Me importas tanto, esa es mi debilidad. Mis heridas me recuerdan que el pasado es real. Mi corazón está abierto. I'm drunk and I'm feeling down, and I just wanna be alone. I'm pissed 'cause you came around. Why don't you just go home? 'Cause I channel all your pain, and I can't help you fix yourself. You're making me insane. All I can say is mi corazón está abierto, no tengo que cerrar. Me importas tanto, esa es mi debilidad. Mis heridas me recuerdan que el pasado es real. Mi corazón está abierto. Tried to help you once, against my own advice. I saw you going down, but you never realized that you're drowning in the water. So I offered you my hand. Compassion's in my nature. Tonight is our last stand. I tear my heart open. I saw myself shine. My weakness is that I can't do much, and I scar